everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, for today's video naman is ipapakita ko sa inyo yung floor na ginawa namin. Actually, tumulong lang ako. Hindi talaga ako yung gumawa. So, ayan guys siya. Nakikita nyo sa background. Ayan. Napakaganda ng tiles. Yan ay polymer interlocking tiles yung tawag dyan. Ayan, makikita nyo kung gaano kalaki itong workshop. Hindi ko papakita lahat kasi may mga ano na hindi pwedeng makita. So, ayan. As you can see, guys, over here, ayan, malaking table. That's gonna be for the project room. Ayan, so, it fit yung length ng table. Bali, apat yan siya. Ayan. Those are for the airplanes. Airplane model. So, tapos, dali, papakita ko sa inyo closer yung tiles. Ayan guys, so ayan, very durable tong tiles na to. Pwedeng, kasi pang guards talaga to, pang guards na tiles. So, tapos, how many is the capacity of this one? So, kaya nga niya guys yung, how heavy? How heavy? Can it carry? 3 tons. Kaya niya guys i-carry dito. So, ayan, oh. Tapos, ang ganda niya talaga guys. Tingnan nyo naman. Oh. Nakikita nyo. So, all over na ginawa na namin. Except doon sa mga sides kasi it has to be cut more precisely. Ayan, kaya yung mga doon sa sides, hindi pa masyadong ayos. Ayan, marami pa kami natirang mga tiles. Ayan. So, ito yung black, tapos ito naman yung gray. So, bali, ginawa namin checkered tiles. I mean, checkered yung design. Ayan, para hindi siya all black or all gray. So, ayan guys. Makalat pa siya today. Nag-ayos pa kasi yung husband ko. Ayan. Ito na yung sinasabi kong table. Nakita niyo guys. So, minsan, pag ano namin is, there's a time talaga na it will break kasi yung ginagamit namin is yung ano ba yun? Rubber hammer or yeah, yun na nga. Tapos ito nag-break siya, kunti lang naman yung na-break na mga tiles. I think just these two. Karamihan is and they're very easy to assemble actually. So yeah, dapat yung pag-assemble nyo nito is L-shape. Tapos, yun na, after the L shape, then you can go through and finish the whole area. And guys, so, in order pa namin to, kasi nga mas mura if you order it online. Tapos, hindi rin kayo makakita nito dito. You really have to do it, to order this online. Ayan, marami pang kalat. Tapos, ito yung box na, ayan, so, ayan yung box. Yeah, so how many in a case? So, hindi ko pa alam. Oh, it says here 40. I know, no, that's the size of the tiles. 40 by 40 centimeter. Ayan. So, guys, 40 by 40 yung size ng tiles. Tapos, yung height niya is 1.8. Ayan, 1.8 yung height. I don't know guys how many now case, but marami siya. So, ayan guys, if you would like to use this kind of tiles, mag-comment down below and we're gonna tell you where to get it. Alright guys, ayan na nga. Yan lang naman. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung tiles namin. O yung tiles na ginamit namin dito. Ayan, di ba? Ang ganda talaga. Ang ganda. Yung video doesn't do any justice. It's very nice.
544 tiles.
Oh, so overall, how many square feet? So this is 544 tiles. All of this. As you can see, this is a big workshop, guys. Ayan. Malaking workshop to. It's bigger than my husband to exchange the house with this workshop. We're gonna live here. Then the house will be his workshop. So, ayan guys. So, yung old TV namin is nilagay na dyan. Ayan na, nakalagay na yung old TV. That is a 65-inch TV. Pero pag nilagay mo dyan, parang wala lang, no? Ang liit tingnan. But that's actually 65. Yung pinalitan ko ng 85 inches. So, ayan, 65 yan. Tapos, yung ginawa naming speaker, that is actually really loud. Tapos, ang ganda ng boses niya is bilog na bilog. Yes. Yes, speaker na bilog na ginawa lang din na or the correct is ginawa lang ng asawa ko. Hindi talaga ako. So, ayan guys, diba? So before there's nothing here. Kasi na-destroy siya ng hurricane, tapos ni-rebuild, tapos nilakihan, tapos yun na nga, ito na nga, malaki na. Ayan guys, so tapos ayan yung electric outlet, tapos na rin, ang dami na rin ginawa dito. This is all DIY. Yes! Congratulations! Diba, ang galing ng asawa ko. Ayan, so tapos ito na rin. Lahat ng mga electrical dito is DIY lang. Ayan, DIY. Kaya nyo rin yan, guys. So, ayan, guys. Ayan lang naman. Ito ang workshop namin now. Tapos, hindi pa talaga ito tapos. Hindi pa ito tapos. Marami pang gagawin. Ayan. So, yung door na yan, yung white door na yan is, ma-open yan kasi parang garage door yan. Kasi, just in case niya na gusto na ilagay yung car dito is mapapasok. So, ayan! Tadadada! Diba ang laki? Ang laki-laki. So, that one is the office. Tapos, marami. Yung isa doon container is for painting. Tapos, ito naman is para sa mga high-tech naman. Ayun guys. So next ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga tools, yung mga high-tech tools na nandito, nasa amin, or nandito, or that we own. Ayan guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. And of course, i-hit nyo na din yung notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga video. Thank you so much! Comment down below if you guys wanna know where we get these tiles. Thank you so much!